Someone asked me the question about why are we supposed to care to have this thing called purpose. I don't like to be a motivation speaker, neither inspiration speaker or whatever genuine that person define on your language. But the one thing for sure, I'm very passionate about people who do things because they have the reason why they're doing that thing. I am that type of person, because I always believe those people who do things with a greater why, they can have a great impact of achieving that thing compared to a person who just doing things because he feel like he's doing a thing. The life that we're living today, it is not the same life that people used to think. The life that we're living today, it's a life of, we have to understand much why we wake up every single day and to do what we do. If we don't try to understand what we do, if we don't find the reason why we wake up every single day to do and to believe what we've been doing, the life is going to waste it. That's why we're being high motivated and high influence. We have to try things that have meaning to us. We have to try things which have meaning to our generation. We have to try things which have meaning to our greater causes, because only through those things which have meaning to ourselves, and that's going to radiate that meaning to others, because it's very hard to change outside if you never experience the change inside. So the greatest changes of people they see or they seek, you must start from yourself. You must find yourself why you've been doing what you've been doing, and it must be something that people they can relate to. It must be something that people they can feel, and they can try to understand that we can support this person even if he or she is not here tomorrow. And I think that's the purpose.